on now Wednesday, isn't it?
Yeah. Wednesday.
3?
Day 4, isn't it, tonight? But day 3 was last night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You finally got out on the 600.
Yeah. Well, you angling at my balls up. Yeah, we've still got a small tank in it in the minute. We're just still getting the big tank fabricated. So, team said just do 1 lap, come in, and we'll top it up and go out and do another one. But I got super excited, wanted to go down Braille flat out. So, snicked 6th gear, went down Braille. As soon as it bought my Braille, I thought, I'm supposed to come in with some fuel. So, it was off at Quarter Bridge, through the streets, and then back up to the paddock. And then it got red flagged, unfortunately. So, but yeah, I got 3 laps in. 3, did I get 3 or 4? 4, yeah. 4 laps. No, 3.
3?
Yeah, 3, because we got 2 on the big bike, and then it was a split session, wasn't it? And then we didn't get out on the stocker. And we're heading for 2 laps on the 600, and we got 1. But no, it's been solid. Another solid night, really. Just getting through the programme, getting through some things on the bike. Bike's feeling a bit more comfortable. Fiddle around with the screens. It's weird. It's just simple little things, you know. Not trying to reinvent the wheel. We're just trying to make it more of a comfortable ride, and that's where we're at the minute. And it's coming good. Yeah, just shy of 129, and a couple of weird lights come on last night. Some blue lights, which is, I thought, am I holding somebody up here? Some of them red light squares were blue. So yeah, but. Yeah, 2 solid laps on the big bike. That's what it all is on the super bikes. Yeah, enjoying it. Weather's holding off. Paddock's, again, I think I might repeat myself now, but I've never seen so many people in the paddock. Paddock's absolutely buzzing, and loads of people out on the track, and loving all the live feed and all the up and close stuff that's going on at the TT this year. It's epic.
And conditions last night, pretty cold, but it was dry, it was alright?
Yeah, it was dry. I thought it was a little bit tricky. Some of the white lines maybe had a bit of dew on them, so there's a little bit of movement on the white lines, but it can't be that bad for them boys to be 131s, so I think it was pretty good. The light was pretty good. But yeah, it was quite cool. It was quite cool, to be fair, but it's dry, and that's the main thing, and we're knocking in the laps between all the riders.
And do you have a plan tonight?
It's a shorter session tonight, I think. I think the sidecars are out, then we're out, so we're probably only going to get 3 laps in. So I don't know, 1 on each bike possibly, just a 1 and a 1 and a 1. But I still haven't had a chat with the team. It's people like you grinding me down all day long. I've been at it since 11 o'clock this morning, and I'm still at it now at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So
I just wanted to remind you that you rode a 600 through town last night.
Yeah, I went through town. I got a few funny looks. I sat at the traffic lights on a race bike. It always looks a bit weird. Everybody has a couple of little retakes and stuff. And yeah, they feel really weird, a race bike on a road. They feel really harsh and stiff and stuff. But no, I got back in time. But there was another red flag. But yeah, I've done it 50-odd thousand miles around here, and I still make a few boo-boos. So anyway, not that the boys didn't take the rip out of me a little bit. So, but you're still learning all the time.
All right, good luck tonight, John.
Cheers.